Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in TCL Top 10 second generation. So at the start always check that you have deactivated the DND mode. As you can see, this is the DND mode icon and you can check it in the top menu. Now just look for this icon and make sure that you have this feature deactivated. Like here, this is the do not disturb mode, so little obvious I know, but check it because you can miss it after the misclick or something like that. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and open the app info. Then go to the permissions. Of course you have to enable the notifications here. If you have this feature deactivated, activate it, but if you have activated, just swipe down and open the additional settings in the app. Now check that we have activated high priority notifications here and here. Now it's activated. In the next step, try to clear your WhatsApp cache, files or all the apps. So go to the storage and cache and choose clear cache. Now tap on the clear data. After that, if you still don't have your alerts, and click on the OK. Before the reset, you can also try to open the app data usage, I think. Yes, and enable the background data here and unrestricted data usage. In the next step, try to reset your network settings. So go to the settings, choose the system, swipe down to the reset, and tap on the settings reset. Network settings reset, tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. And in the last step, try to update your system. So in the system, go to the system update and tap on the check for updates. If you have any, install it, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.